What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to add mods to your Steam game. I'm gonna go step by step with you guys to teach you how to do it. Well, basically, before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So your favorite game don't need to end just because you finish them. Basically, Steam offers you tons and tons of mods. So many games support mods through the Steam Workshop, where you can easily browse for new content and have it automatically appear in your game. You can also find mods related to a game by checking for the community made mods section on its store page. If a game doesn't support mods, you can tell the developers you'd like to see that feature by starting up a discussion on the game community hub. So you need to own a game, of course, and mods alter or add to the game they created for, so you must have that game in your Steam library. So some mods are free and some mods cost money, so each mod author decides whether they think there is enough customer interest in their mod to list it for sale. So how to actually create it and how to basically allow it. So basically you need to go to the Steam Workshop, and you can browse the Steam Workshop and find over 100 games and software titles that offer various forms of pre-created content, ranging from in-game items to community-made mods. You just go over there, select a mod, and basically either buy it or download it for free. Again, whether or not that person who created that mod offers it for free or requires some payment. Guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.